About 8 months ago, I was introduced to BioPods, and it was certainly a different thought process for me because I actually had bought into that our feet needed to be supported, and arches and shoes and more protective shoes. And I know I noticed in my lifetime, more and more people have foot problems, more and more athletes have shin splints, more and more. And I, from high school on, had problems with my ankles. I had them taped all the time. I had some knee injuries that from sports playing in both high school and college and that. And I went through multiple different kinds of shoes, multiple different kinds of orthotics in what I thought, even as a chiropractor and that. But then I got introduced to BioPods, and BioPods really just helped my foot do it. And I saw some amazing things. Some old injuries that I had noticed a long time ago kind of came and went. I started having more motion in my foot. My knee, which had bothered me off and on for a long time, I had way less pain. And then I just started noticing things, again, over the 8 months, that things became easier in my upper part of my back, easier to get up, easier to use. My fatigue at the end of a day, I still see patients for a long, long time in a day. My fatigue in my body just was way, way better. So being a chiropractor, having tried multiple products ever since I've been young, ever since I played sports, there's nothing that's made a bigger difference with me than all the things I've tried than the BioPods over the last 8 months. And BioPods is really, if we think about, BioPods is to help the foot do what it's meant to do, but not to support it. When I look at patients then, almost everybody comes in here has a foot problem or a foot issue or something related to their feet and that, where they bought shoes differently, bought orthotics differently, but they continue with time to have issues in that. And so what we've noticed with our patients is that as we brought the BioPods in, we really saw a correction of gait, correction of postures, correction, so many things, because the foot, again, when it tells the body what's going on, the body kind of starts to take care of the rest of it. So for those chronic patients that I really had a trouble stabilizing, the BioPods have truly been a miracle and made practice way, way more enjoyable. So in the 30 years I've been in practice, there's nothing that's made a bigger difference or stabilized my patients more than bringing BioPods in. Almost everybody's had some